Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video I am going to be showing you a mirrored wall art DIY tutorial. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Make sure that you don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this DIY project started. Now for this DIY project, I am using a mirror that I was finna to trash, but I'm gonna revamp it. I'm using this mirror tile from Decor.com. I'm gonna drop the information for that down in my description box. I'm also gonna be using some of the smaller mirror tiles that I previously had from Decor, my hot glue gun and my hot glue sticks. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to separate the mirror pieces, and here are those smaller pieces. Now when I cut the back of these mirrors, I actually decided to pour that fabric adhesive or that plastic adhesive off of the back so I could get them to stick to my mirror better. So for the sake of saving my voice, you guys, I'm going to layer these mirrors on to get the design I want, and then we're going to start hot gluing them down. And here you guys, you see this frame has 6 ridges. I'm going to actually be using, I'm sorry, has 7. I'm going to be using the middle 3, which I'm going to have 2 ridges on the front and 2 ridges on the back. I'm just going to continue to layer my mirror tile on in the style that I do want, you guys. And you guys, I'm still trying to save my voice. I've just been under the weather these last few weeks, so just bear with me as we continue to knock out this DIY project. And please drop all your DIY related comments down in the comment section or send me an email and we'll answer those for you. Alright you guys, this completes this mirror wall art. If you're liking this DIY, drop me a comment down in the comment section. Also still continue to send me your requests. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you check out deflog.com. Their information is down in my description box. Now if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, and Glam Queen Unboxing. We thank you for your loyal love and support.